Hello, hello, beautiful people. Today we're gonna go back to the 80s where hair were big and hairspray was your best friend. Okay, since we are done with the official introduction, today we're gonna be talking about my hair empties. Those are the products which I finished within the last 5 months. Now, because I finished them within the last 5 months, it doesn't mean that I start them at that time. For example, like this huge conditioner, it took me a while, like some of the items which are here. So yes, I'm rotating. But anyway, let's just go on with the video. Since I mentioned the hairspray, that's one from AUSSIE brand. That's their Mega Hairspray 24-hour flexible hold with jojoba and sea cup. Flexible hold with one dot. I do like this hairspray because besides having like a nice mist, after you spray it, you can still run your fingers through the hair. I know Tresemme, the one in a black can, it has like extra hold, so yes, it's gonna hold it. But I don't like that one because it feels kind of a, I don't know, if I would have a crispy hair or... With this one, I went through many bottles of it. I use it, I don't know, let's say for the last 10 years. And yes, I do enjoy it. And I already have a new bottle. And you know what? You cannot really go wrong with it because it comes in different holds. You can choose the one which suits you. But I prefer this one because I can still touch my hair even after I spray it. Next item is the wet brush. Unfortunately, it broke, let's say about 2 weeks ago, but because I like it so much, I already repurchased a new one. What I like it, that's the in-shower hairbrush, which you use, as the name say, while you are taking a shower. So let's say after I'm gonna apply my conditioner or mask, I'm gonna brush my hair so I can distribute the product all over my hair. Afterwards, I'm gonna brush it again. So in case if I'm done with the shower, my hair are not so tangled and it's easier for me to brush them again later on. Okay, let's go on with something else. In here I have argan oil. Hair Chemist Argan Oil Anti-Breakage Fortification. I use oils on my scalp, let's say once or maybe twice a month, just to hydrate my scalp, and then all over my hair. I'm gonna keep it for like an hour or two, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So pretty much it's like a deep treatment for my hair, but using the oil. So I have here, I think yeah, that's the only one which I have. I did like it. That's the one which I bought in Burlington. I'm not gonna repurchase because I have a couple other items to go through. But if you see it, you can easily pick it up, and it does smells pleasantly. Then Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Leave-In Miracle Nectar Honey Treasures 10-in-1 care for all hair types. And on the back you have like those 10 different stuff. So it's seal moisture, detangle, softens, repair, smooth, stain, frizz, restores, and a lot more. I'm not a big fan of leave-in conditioner because at least the way how I am, after I put it on, I think my hair are getting more oilier. So that's the reason why I'm trying to avoid it. I use this one during the winter because that's the time when we cover our hair, or I should say our heads, underneath the hats and the central heating. And central heating, it doesn't only damages our skin making drier, but also the hair. So yes, they're gonna be more frizzier and drier than usually. That's what I use in the morning to soften them up, and also it makes brushing my hair way easier. Do I'm gonna repurchase? Yes, but not currently. Let's say maybe around winter time or when the weather is gonna change. And then from the same honey line, I have the mask. That's the repairing mask with rinse treatment repairs for healthier, stronger hair. I like it. It smells like, yeah, you can still smell the honey. Because it's Garnier, it's what, 300 ml, 10 ounce. It's affordable and it did kind of help my hair. If it's perfect, no. But if you need something stronger, or I should say something a little bit heavier than your regular conditioner, This one is fine. And yes, I think I went through a couple of those. And I think I already have a backup as well. Most of the time, Garnier products are on sale and you can get coupons on them as well. So that's when I'm trying, let's say, to either stack up or save some money. Then, talking about Garnier, that's their Garnier Fructis Damage Repair Treat 1 Minute Mask with Papaya. Yeah, it does smells nice. The size is 3.4 ounce, which is 100 ml, so it's perfect if, let's say, you have limited space in your luggage, or you can easily take it to your carry-on because of the small size. It's a 1 minute mask, so in case if you're on the go, it's perfect. For a 1 minute mask, I did like it. Afterwards, my hair was nice and smooth. If I were to purchase, not at the moment. If I would recommend, yes. One thing which I forgot to mention earlier, or should say beginning of this video, my hair are dry, frizzy, damaged, and yes, I do color them. That's why if I like it or not, most of the time I try to use either repairing or hydrating product, so my hair is gonna be more smoother and more presentable. Here we go. But let's move on with the rest of the items. Similarly as with the, and I just put it away, the oil, I have here the 99% aloe vera jelly soothing moisturizer. I'm sure you heard good things about aloe vera, and if you ever been sunburned, yes, you're gonna put aloe vera on you because it's gonna soothe your damaged skin, or should say your burned skin, and hydrate as well. So that was one of the reasons why I bought this one, and I was putting on my scalp to provide the hydration. And whatever was left, I was using on my hair. Yes, I did like it, and possible I'm gonna repurchase. Then from Pantene, we have their Rescue Shots Ampoule treatment targets extreme damage. For example, when you when you color your hair, at the end they give you that little sachet with like the high intensity hydrating conditioner or mask. So that's what it is, but you don't need to buy the whole pack, or you don't have to color your hair. You can just buy easily one of the shots. Okay, this is the shot which I received as a sample, but the actual package, it have 3 of those, and guess what, for sure I'm gonna repurchase because I did enjoy this product and my hair were smooth and nice and hydrated. The effect didn't last for too long, I should say for too many days, because I wash my hair every day, but yes, it is worth purchasing. Next item is the Tresemme Moisture Rich Lightwear Conditioning for Smoother Damaged Hair Detangling Spray. I enjoyed the product. I couldn't stand the mister because it works like a fire hose. So most of the time I was spraying in my hair, I was spraying the product in my hair and then distributing all over it. Do I like it? Yes. Do I'm gonna repurchase? No, unless they're gonna change the sprayer, but as a detangle product, yes, it was nice. Next item is a huge conditioner from Fructis. That's their Fortifying with 3 oils: avocado, olive, almond, dry to very dry hair. System for 3 times moisture. Yes, I did like it. In case if you are in a search for like a In case if you are in a search for affordable conditioner which does the job, this one is nice. If I will repurchase, no. Why? Because I have many products to go through, but I do enjoy the triple nutrition line because of the oils which are inside. Let's say avocado, olive, and almond. You know what? You cannot really go wrong. And then we have a huge mask. That's hair mask for dry and damaged hair, regeneration with argan and silk oil. It smells lightly, it has a faint scent. That's one which I brought from Europe. Even though it says mask, it has a consistency of a conditioner, and that's the way how I finish it using. However, it is a big one. It's like 500 ml, so it's gonna be what, like 10 ounce, a little bit more than 10 ounce. It was fine. Then we have AUSSIE Miracle Moist shampoo with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. I'm sure you already see the pattern that I'm trying to go with products which are hydrating. Let's say here we have avocado, almond, then we have jojoba, aloe vera. So yes, I'm trying to do something with those hair. The shampoo was fine. I didn't mind it. I don't think I have a conditioner for it unless I already used it up and don't remember. It's a worth checking out shampoo. And then, okay, I have items from the Garnier Whole Blends. Oof. I'm gonna start with, here we go, shampoo and conditioner. First is the coconut oil and coconut butter. Smooths, controls frizzy hair. Smells, yeah, like cocoa butter. I like it. Yes, it did smooth the hair. Then we're gonna follow with straightening conditioner. Okay, so ginger and golden honey straightens, rejuvenates and revitalizes. Yeah, it smells like ginger. And then the third one is maple remedy with castor oil and maple extract. Deeply nourishes, reinforces, repairs. If I can grade them from 1 to 3, or let's say I'm gonna give like a short opinion about it. If you want something light which gonna smooth out your hair, this is good. Then if you want something better, but also conditions a little bit, it's gonna be the one with, what was it? Ginger and honey, because honey, as you know, it's very good for your skin, but also for your hair as well. And then if you need some rescue and help me out, it's gonna be the maple. From those items, I already repurchased the maple. I think I already have this one as well, I'm not sure. And because I have this one, or I should say, this is the bigger size and it took me a while to go through, I'm gonna skip it for right now. That was my overview of the hair items which I used within the last few months. Hopefully it was helpful to you, and if something, let me know what are your drugstore and affordable hair products. Okay, see ya, bye.